Hello, boys and girls. Get your paper that is flying a kite. And we can do it together. Or you can just watch for a few minutes and then go ahead and do it on your own afterwards. Okay, so it says, cut out pictures, paste them in order. First of all, you might like to color them, make them pretty. May is usually a windy month where we fly kites. So first thing you're going to do, it says, is to cut right across. We're going to cut right across the dotted line. Okay? You can do it with me or just watch. Okay, so then I'm going to have this paper. I'm going to put that down. That's what we're going to glue on. And this paper. This is what you color. After you color it. Oh, and don't forget, up here, what does it say? N-A-M-E, name. Put your name on it. Color. And then we're going to cut. Now, let's look at these pictures first, because they could be a little tricky. We've got a little girl with the kite all the way in the air. We have the little girl, and here she is putting the tail on the kite. Here, she's walking out of her house with the kite in her hand, and here she's just starting to run to get the kite to go up in the air. So which picture do you think is first? We're going to put the first picture right here in this upper left hand corner. Let you look at it a minute and think about it. Which one? Okay, so if you guessed the picture where she is walking out of the house, then that would be right. That's the first picture. So we're cutting them out. Now we're going to cut them into fours. Right on those dotted lines. You have to cut right on all the lines so that they'll fit in the squares. So I'm doing it. You can do it with me. I can cut while I'm showing you, and then cut across there. Okay, so now I'm going to find my first picture, which I think is the little girl coming out of her house. And we're going to put it right under the name, where it says name. So let's glue it on. Get your glue sticks. And if you haven't colored it yet, you can color it after we glue it on. Okay, so there's one. So now, which one do you think's next? Do you think it's the girl with it halfway in the air, all the way in the air, or putting the tail on? You guessed it, putting the tail on, because that helps it fly. So now we're going to put some glue. I'm just going to put some glue on my other paper. Oops, oh, and I dropped it on the floor. Pick it up. We're going to glue on the next piece, which is her putting on the tail. And then, which do you think's next? The one where it's already all the way in the air, or the one where she's just starting to get it into the air? Just starting to get it in the air. That's right. And so we're going to glue that one on. And then the last one is going to be the kite flying high and with the tail flying below it or hanging below it. Okay, so when you're all done, we have the story. The little girl leaves her house, comes out of her house with her kite. She attaches the tail to the kite, and then she starts to run and letting the wind catch her kite, and then it is flying high in the sky. So what color do you think the background of this picture should be with the sky? Probably leave the clouds white and the sky and a nicely brightly colored kite. Same thing here. Blue sky, white clouds, blue sky, white clouds. And then maybe you can color your kite the same color in all of the pictures. and the little girl wearing the same clothes in all of the pictures, because it is a story going left to right. Have fun. Maybe you guys have a kite and you could go out and fly your own kite. All right, have fun. See you soon.